There we have 7 screws, T30. So we will remove those here. Turn the wheels to the other side. For this one here, I just turn her to the left. Now we have access for 1, 2, 3, and 4, and they are size 8. Take it. Now, after we have removed all the screws, we will hold it here and pull it out like this, just like that. So take it easy here. You come out here and you pull it out like this. I have fog lights here, so I will need to remove them. So, and there we go. Just like that. There. Well, this side is done. You come behind it.